Hi, I'm Sarah. Today, I want to share a lovely evening I spent with my friends, baking cookies together. It was one of those moments that was filled with laughter, delicious smells, and the joy of being with people I care about. The idea to bake cookies came to me around 5 p.m. I had been craving something sweet, and I thought it would be fun to invite my friends over for a little baking session. I quickly texted them, and to my delight, they were all in. We decided to meet at my place around 6:30 p.m. Before my friends arrived, I headed to the kitchen to gather all the ingredients. I took out the flour, sugar, butter, eggs, chocolate chips, and vanilla extract. I also set out mixing bowls, measuring cups, and my favorite wooden spoon. The kitchen was filled with a sense of anticipation, and I couldn't wait to get started. By 6:30 p.m., my friends began to arrive. The atmosphere was instantly filled with laughter and chatter. Everyone was excited to start baking, and we quickly divided up the tasks. Some of us were in charge of mixing the dough, while others prepared the baking trays. We started by creaming the butter and sugar together, then adding the eggs and vanilla extract. The kitchen was alive with conversation as we took turns mixing the dough. The scent of vanilla filled the air, and we couldn't help but sneak a taste of the sweet, creamy batter. Next, we added the chocolate chips to the dough. The sight of the rich, dark chocolate against the creamy dough was mouth-watering. We made sure to mix them in evenly so that every cookie would be packed with chocolatey goodness. Once the dough was ready, we scooped it onto the baking trays and placed them in the oven. The kitchen quickly filled with the warm, comforting smell of baking cookies. We sat around the kitchen table, chatting and laughing as we waited for the cookies to bake. When the cookies were done, we took them out of the oven and let them cool for a few minutes. The golden brown cookies were perfectly soft and chewy. We couldn't wait any longer and dug in while they were still warm. The combination of the crispy edges and gooey chocolate chips was absolutely divine. After enjoying the cookies, we spent the rest of the evening talking and sharing stories. It was one of those nights where time seemed to fly by because we were having so much fun. By the end of the night, we were all full of cookies and happy memories. As my friends left, we all agreed that we needed to do this more often.